Does this look familiar? Of course it does. You've seen this 1,000 times. These locks, they get a little loose after a while. They don't hold up all that well, and the lock ends up kind of just doing nothing at all. But the mechanism is still good. What we have to do is get rid of all that slack right there. So for that, we're going to use O-rings. Set you up here and I'll show you how we're going to go about this. What we're going to do is get that O-ring. First we're going to find one that is, I think this was one that fit pretty good. We want an O-ring that is approximately, you know, just going to fit like kind of decent in that gap there. So that looks pretty good to me. It's not falling out. That's about the thickness we want, just to take up that slack. It doesn't need to be super tight, and in fact, if it is super tight, it'll be that much harder to get on here, which kind of defeats the purpose of a quick fix. All right, so we have it slid onto there. Now, once it is at this guy here, don't pick like a really beefy injector O-ring or something, because you're going to have a time getting that on. Pick one that you can slide onto there. It's not going to be too loose. Then old pocket screwdriver. Just kind of pop that onto there. There we go. Good and tight. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Good. Good and snug. Love it. Unlocks fine, comes out. That's what we like. Y'all have a good one.